So yes, Chaitali. So the task was like create composite role for basics like client admin, client copy transport, SAP notes. So accordingly, I added these four roles in it, but was not able to understand what exactly I need to do for this system parameter thing.
Then RJ then.
Okay, okay. So
For the for recipe note, when okay, it's not there. These are the standard rules, right?
yes,
You need to first create the custom, then you need to assign it composite.
okay. So I need to create all these roles like single roles. These four single roles I need to create, and
Yeah,
then
create the rule, not in means composite rule creation are not possible. It will not take much time, 10 to 15 minutes with this composite rule creation with the standard rule. I have asked you to create the single rule so that you will be aware about the authorization object, what value we need to keep.
okay.
Because like we are moving into theoretical, like you want the
Mhm.
practical. So you need to
Yes.
create the rules, do the testing. Then only you can see like if I put this value, then this
Mhm.
can be tested. If I give this value, I cannot restrict this thing. So for
Mhm.
this you need to have hands-on.
Yes.
Like a client administration. If someone
Mhm.
asks you to provide access for client administration, how you are going to do? It is not
Okay.
basis, but they just want display access. Then how we are going to do? How you can restrict it? What exactly authorization object are getting checked? Sometimes you may need to activate the trace multiple times to check what exactly is getting checked, where I can put the restrictions. So that sometimes you can create scenario by your own, or I
Mhm.
like I have given you scenario. We need to
Yes.
create this. SAP standard role, we never use SAP standard role for users. Okay.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
need to practice on it.
Yeah.
Else you will be not familiar. You will be not be familiar with authorization.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that.
This my plan was to complete focus bill and change manager. So with this topic, mostly your normal ECC authorization get completed. Then
Mhm.
from next session we will move toward advanced topics.
Okay. Okay.
So do you want practice in between? So let me know in advance so that I can plan accordingly.
Yeah, sure. So today again, I'll try to like create all these single roles, and if needed, then
You just don't do the testing properly.
yeah.
Any authorization object open in that row. Row should be in green status.
Mhm. Yes.
Like,
Yes.
do the practice on users, what to do, what to not. Change the CUA steps, check the CUA steps, whether we can implement or not. Try to create RFCs, maintain user for RFC. You need to do all this stuff.
Okay. Yes. So I think post this session we can have one session for the practice one, like simultaneously I can work. Then we can move to the advanced
Can
topic.
practice today as well. I don't have any issue in that. So I just don't want to move with the advanced topic without
Mm-hmm.
clearing the our normal ECC. There will be no meaning. You can read it
Yeah.
from anywhere. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
If you have doubt, I can clear. You can read it from anywhere. So we can also do that. You can read one topic. You can discuss on that here. We can do in that as well. But you need to be very clear about technical.
Yes.
Normal CC, it's a normally CC, but it is not that much.
Mm-hmm.
If you have every concept clear for normal ECC here, then only there is meaning of moving ahead.
Okay.
So what do you want to take?
So I think
Sample build or you want to create the rules?
so. Whatever topic you had planned, we can finish it up and then move to the like practice session.
Okay, no problem.
So I'll
What about
stop.
other authorization related work?
So actually, my query was I created this and I got blank. Let what exactly I need to do further post adding all these roles.
So this is complete. Now you can directly add this role to user. Like this is the composite role for basis admin. So in that basis admin, we have divided role with different tasks of basis. Basis admin, basis team needs client administration, then
Mm-hmm.
SAP node related access, system parameter settings, transport admin. So they to perform their day-to-day activity, they need these kind of roles. So whenever we are creating any basis role user, then we need to assign these all role manually one by one to user. There is a chance to miss. So that's why we create the composite role. So
Mm-hmm.
that is basis admin role for production. So you can directly assign the composite role and all other relevant single role get assigned to user.
Okay. So
This is
like
package. This is a
yeah.
package containing all the roles, all relevant roles.
So in these two
Also ask
tabs.
you to create one role for common user. What authorization need to be have with the common user.
Yes, no, actually, I have not created that. I got stuck here only like whether I am doing this right or not. And then next, this menu and user both were showing red, and I was unable to recall what I need to do in these two tabs.
Okay.
Like what all activities I need to do post adding the roles which are required.
Have you tried to create user in SCTM?
Actually, I created one to only, not the 10 users. Like if I
I
got
can practice this thing. So
yeah.
whatever topic you have covered, you need to perform practice
Mhm.
on it.
Yes.
PR creation, PR release, PR deletion, user creation, user modification, deletion,
Mm,
single user, mass user, then role assignment, role removal, all, and you need to explore all the options you're having, like inheritance,
mm,
cancel, remove, whatever the things you're having. You need to check that. In role also, just not this. You need to check the additional activity from where I can input the role menu, from what are the options, different option in TFCP. So you need to check each and everything because like we have
mm.
practice so where
Yeah.
from where we can do but sometimes we also get confused because this is
Yeah.
not we need to do the practice means we cannot judge anyone just
Mm,
within an hour that yeah this maybe she can this is not there are some additional some things which are hidden in POCG as well like yeah from this there is a shorter way to do so you need to
mhm.
explore that. What are the options? Like in here you have option. If you go to in the road, there are other options to add from. You can directly or authorization object. You can get it from other profile. So likewise, you need to check what are the options available in PSU.
Okay.
Explore the T codes. And here also change the version of recipe and then again explore because these options get changed. It's just for it. Go
Mm.
to your login page where the recipe names are given. Here in the recipe.
Also.
Yes, below. Okay, here you have three lines, horizontal lines, about the way where the ACPG are mentioned. Yeah, click on that. Okay, options. Um, virtual design. First, check
Yes.
one by one. Here we have theme setting first. In virtual design, it's a theme setting. Click on that theme setting. Yeah, it changes. Mm.
Which one?
Take ACP plus ACP signature. See, okay, okay. And close this complete ACP. Your ACP system. No. Have you observed the difference?
Yeah, right. Uh, in the previous one, we had multiple options and features here.
Yes.
Yes, the UI.
This one we have SAP system in upper side, SAP system name. Here we are the lower side.
Yes.
So this complete things has been changed. So you need to do the practice in that and this as well because some customer use that version, some use this version.
Okay.
If you go to PHCG, you can see there is a difference. Again, difference. In every transaction, you can see the difference.
Yeah.
So do practice in both the default, both the versions basically so that you will be comfortable. It should be not like that I have worked in that and someone is bringing error screenshot or any transaction screenshot. I'm not able to understand because sometimes users send us a 53 screenshot properly, but sometimes they send us error screenshot. From that also we should means we have that much clarity to identify whether the given error is authorization or not. That's why I think you had practice on this. You worked before, so may you have used this version of it.
Yes, yes, I have used this version.
So yes, do in both this scenario different system. So write it down what exactly you need to create. You need to do.
Yes.
First user creation in both this mention this SAP different layers. Single user creation you have done, but do practice once in this. And you need to also do the practice on SUI.
Yeah.
So extract list likewise. Uh, User who is having debug change access. So what is debug change? You need to find out that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then list of developers. User who has access to user admin. User who has not logged from last 60 days. User with expired password. And user with admin lock. And first to like list of developer and debug change, you need to find the list of roles and the user role.
For these two.
List of user and list of roles.
Okay.
For developer same list of user and list of roles. So here for PFCG, so these you need to create first.
This single roles.
These all three types of like table admin, then single role for common user role. Point 1, 2, 3. Create one role. Let's create role A, role B with whatever access you want. You can select any financing element, any access you can select, and in that you need to insert like a transaction from many, from different roles.
Okay.
In PFCG, you have option to insert role menu from any other role or recipe standard.
Mhm.
So do that. Select any like SD module, MM module, select anyone.
Mhm.
And insert one role for SD, one for MM, likewise, or HR. So no, only SD, MM text, not SD, MM. And then like create another role. In that you need to insert the authorization of role from the role A to role B. Don't copy that, but you need
Mhm.
to.
And generally, like how we are going to select this module SD and MM?
So in go to PFCG. No, green one. Green one is for that.
Oh,
Create a new role. That post rights symbol. You have that. You are collapsed. No, post that.
yeah. Can I take this one only?
No, create symbol. Create symbol. Okay, do this. Go to menu. Menu. Okay, here from menu. From menu. Below the menu apps.
Yeah.
From SAP menu or the other menu, area menu, local. Go to SAP menu and local. System you are using. Open the information system. Is it the SAP system? Oh, is it this GRC system? Check whether it says for a GRC.
Where?
From system details. Check with Sky type of system. Open the cross application components. Look, check the system first. Go to system, status, last button. And where you check? Product version, install product version. It's a GRC system. It's a GRC system. So you need to create another. You cannot find that menu over yet. Switch to other system.
Okay. So if usually if it has been there, then from menus and here I have get it left. Okay.
The some user is Dr. Goldman, Dr. Folder.
Mm-hmm.
Where you can do that. So do practice not in this server, not do practice in GRC, do the practice in normal experiences. Position objective change of the system.
Okay.
But let us this here in one role you need to insert authorization from role A to role B without copying that role.
Okay.
Okay, so this much I want that. Or just for that SVIM extract it now. Like user at least for user things. Last user with admin log, user with password expire.
Should I change the system or can continue in this only? The GUI.
Okay, no problem with this one. What exactly you want to extract here first?
First, like I'm looking for user with expired password.
What is expired password? Where should it come?
Like
It's logon details and passwords. It should be by logon detail and password change.
I think this we can have like here like say 60 days thing also like not locked from 60 days. Then password change also 60 days.
First, do the 60 days. User has not logged from 60 days. I have not asked for any password change from the 60 days. You don't enter any additional level. Else you
O-
have to get change.
Okay.
So what is meaning of in the password we have green, red, and blue. What is meaning of that? Without going then it's blue. Don't go there and just tell me what is meaning of that. Yeah, go there and check. If you don't know, just go there and check.
Okay. We can export this also no? In Excel.
Yes, we can export. Check the options properly. We're not checking it. You can sort, you can do. Yeah, another one option. Just go, don't go there.
Hmm?
Don't go there. Here in a list of, just scroll, come down. Yeah. Here you have a list of user accounts. Below that you are able to see different options, sort, filter, Excel, then export. Go up. Not that, below that one.
Yeah.
Yes. There you go. We refer this one to extract it. It is not available before.
Mm-hmm.
So what is it is saying? So So now you are the system administrator. The troubleshoot this. System has given you pop-up. You contact your system administrator if you want to download it in Excel.
Mhm.
Resolve that first. Then you check other option. Resolve that first. How you would resolve that? Close this. Go there. Go to the Excel spreadsheet one. Check what exactly it is saying. Click on that. What pop you are getting.
No.
Now it's resolved. Huh? If you are getting error in some cases, authorized system error, check why you are getting it. Right now you are getting error means for end user also you can get. You need to
Mhm.
troubleshoot. This in this PDF and Word document, we can control it from authorization. We need to have it. No, we don't want this kind of PDF. Go back. Execute and again check that option. What was set in there? Click on spreadsheet. First time you got the error, right?
Yeah. So now.
That time only you should run that execute whenever you error. Na. Just
Mhm.
whether it's related to authorization. There is one authorization update and there is a system parameter. From that you can control download this example.
I think if we try another one, might get error. No.
Yeah, but these are the options.
Yeah, these are the option. I was
Try
looking
to
for.
download. Now you will not get that copy.
Mhm. Okay.
Download not execute. Execute. Which format you use? Select the folder properly.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, Anil.
Yeah.
You need to download it as Excel, not as a
Yeah.
download it as Excel. No, from spreadsheet, that local file, download it as Excel. It is not getting downloaded from there. Save it as Excel.
Yeah. From here only you are saying, no?
Yes, text with that. when you give the name in the plus dot, mention XLS. You can you get save as XLS. Hold on. Here you can delete all the above rows and this is your data. Not about 25 you can delete it. Now you can apply filter earlier to check. How much comfortable you are with Excel?
Out of 5, I need to rate. I'll rate 3.
We look up and all you can all apply, right?
Yeah. Sometimes I current whatever work I'm doing currently, I need to apply VLOOKUP.
Yeah, because
Like,
after we need to use the Excel frequently. That we look up and all.
okay.
Because we need to take the data multiple times, need to analyze, then we can suggest anything to table, everything. So right now we are checking from SUM. Same thing, you can check it from tables. So check what are the tables to download this kind of. I can directly tell you, but there is no meaning in that. So just check by your own. Then you will like it will be there in your mind for because when we do research on anything, while doing that research, some additional thing you can go to know. And with the table, try to download, see what difference you are getting, what is means how you can get the same data as well.
Move to next one.
User with expert password or user with initial password.
Okay, user with initial password.
Expert password will not be with the initial password.
So we need to like these are so we can like add filters which we need to keep and which not. Like if I want to identify only dialog users, then deselect rest of them.
Yeah. So that's why I'm asking you this question. We got to know what are the options, different options to get the data.
Yeah. So users.
There are two kind of people. Some want to extract data from tables. Some want from SQL. It's dependent. You like. I like SQL. Some of my team member like tables.
Okay. When actually I was working on SAP, there was license optimization, license audit was going on. So I was fresher, so all seniors just asked me to export this report and provide it to them.
Here you also get the last logon date of the user.
Mhm.
Like 60 days is from last date. So you can also check when the past, last past.
So actually, why this pop-up came?
It may be a click on detail of in user that may be because
Okay. Created on password.
these are the user routines.
Mm.
Logon not used means like here you have logon date. So at least that user has logged in some time whose date he has done the password reset. Like in
Mhm.
logon date he was getting 17/6/2021. So this is the second time he has done the password. Maybe second or next means he has done the initial login. Suppose that he
Mhm.
has done the password reset. Again he has done the initial password reset. Maybe system admin has resetted the password. For the
Mhm.
not used means once the user has created,
Mhm.
the user has not logged into the system instead. Because in system we don't have logon date, last logon date of the user.
Yes. So they
This
have
is the
ever
user initial ID pass.
from here we can have that filter also. User without logon date.
No, this will be applied before.
Okay.
If you want to change the view, then you can go to this and there is one of you can change the field selection. Execute. Here post export you have last three box. Choose layout. Here select layout. Select layout means you can directly select existing layout. Choose layout, you can add or remove.
Okay. So
You can add
what?
an.
So I need to select and add it into the column set.
So here this is by default system has provided. Here
Mhm.
in column set you have additional if you want. Date password log means the password you want. Like if you don't want any date, like if you don't want a creator of master date means who has created user creation date you don't want, you can just move it to this left side, right side. Then you can see means what in which view you want data. Either you can do that thing in Excel or you can do it from.
Mhm. Here also. Okay. But if I do some XYZ change for this transaction and again I came back for the new report, then these changes will be there or it will again
You
restore.
need to save the layout. Here you have option to save. Do change
Okay.
save. Then you can create your very layout. So suppose we choose layout, choose selection, this change layout, suppose that we have choose layout.
Yes.
See, you are directly choosing existing layout.
This one. If I save this, then it will be continued.
Yeah.
Oh,
So say layout. Yes, the layout will be saved.
okay. So if I need to find out, if we take first one, list of users having debug change access. So it will be like by authorizations, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Here you get the authorization. So whenever you have this kind of, now go with the complex selection. So in the complex selection, you will get all these options. So you don't need to go here and there to check from which I need to check. User by complex selection. Here you will also like right now you click to got the report name. And like this is the main transaction is STM. In background it's calling other transaction. So here with the system name, you had down arrow. So we have the system name and then we have down arrow. Click on that. Below. No, the column. Below column.
Yeah.
Here we have system name post 200 last low bottom corner right side.
Oh, yeah.
Click on this, click on bottom corner, here you can see. The program is RS UXR 2002 and transaction is SG underscore BC. You can exact transaction. So
Mhm.
SGM is calling the report and transaction in backend. From background, it's calling other transactions. So for us, main transaction is SGM. In that SGM, this is connected to these many transactions.
Okay.
Add SVM to any row and check whether this transaction is getting fetched in that or not. Or you can also check that from calling transaction. Go to SE16. TCP couples.
DC decouple.
TCP.
Yeah.
Click on it.
Hmm.
Okay. Click on it. No. TCP couple. TCP couple. Enter. You go SE.
Yes, you.
I am.
Okay.
Execute.
So yeah.
Calling transaction.
Yes.
If our transactions are linked to SE.
Okay.
Sometimes the interviewer asks you the report name. Report name.
As the
Report name. Like they
report name.
200, 002. This report name to extract. This means you have option to navigate from SAM, but they ask the report name answer.
So where, like report name from where and how do I get it?
Like here you have RSCSR 200 down in the down arrow you have checked that, right? Just you have checked the transaction
Yes.
program. Program means report and with the transaction. We are in transaction. SC16 programming, ACP, LDC, physical.
Okay.
So create, extract data, creating, and whenever you're extracting data, like debug change, add the authorization object here in your Word notepad, and what exactly field you are going to also. Okay. Authorization
Okay.
of value, what do you need to extract it? Okay. So that tomorrow when we check, so you can say that I have checked the user with this, and we'll take, or you directly download that to the Excel, or go with it directly to the system.
Okay.
Okay, any doubt, any help needed for extracting this data?
No, no.
What will you do in table admin?
Table admin.
So here we check what exactly table admin need, and what transaction need to be available in common user. What are the standard rule for common user?
Yes, and okay, so I'll do this. I had another query like T codes related to upgrade. So I actually tried Google also and from EC11 too, but I was unable to get like how to get this T codes related to upgrade.
Okay, and there are some motivation. SPDD score we need to do. From there we can, or from SAP node also we can do that.
Okay.
There is not mostly it's controlled by authorization. For some maybe one or two people you have, but it gets controlled by authorization.
Okay. Because I Googled it also and
Yeah, you can check any guide for upgrade, basis upgrade. So in that you will find the steps and tips.
okay.
Do you know how to download the guide, SAP guide? I think this is away, right?
No.
So from SAP help marketplace, you can download that SAP guides.
Okay. Okay.
But
Yeah.
that it has security guide that they mostly gives all the steps and screenshots. Once you Google now, you will get clear picture.
Yes, yes, yes. So, like I'm visiting the SAP help page whenever I'm doing all this, but I was not aware that I can download stuff from there also.
Right.
Okay.